This is your girl Bambi, and I'm going to show you tonight, this evening, now that it's cooled off, and I can because it was way too hot out here today, of how to wash the outside of your mobile home or your house using just bleach, a water hose, and a Roundup pump bottle. This is cheap, easy, and effective, and you do not have to use a pressure washer. First, you apply the bleach. And you can add water to it, or you can just do it by itself. As you can see how dirty the outside of the mobile home is. Just get that bleach all on there. Me, I don't like to add water. Yes, I know I say water weird, because I am so country and have an accent. So we will all live and get over that. And sorry that I'm having to do this so late to show you guys this, because like I said, it was very hot and I had other stuff I had to do today, such as mowing the grass, and needed a break. And the humidity here does not help at all. So make sure you get the bleach on nice and good. If you look real close, you can see it's starting to drip off and it's starting to clean it by itself. So just leave the bleach on there for a little bit. Getting dark here, so it might be hard to tell what's going on. So after letting the bleach sit for a few minutes, you're going to take your water hose and you're going to spray that baby down. And as you can see, it's all coming off. Now, there might be a couple spots if you didn't get it good enough the first time, that you can just go over it again with another spray of bleach. As you can see, it came off. But there are a couple spots, if you look closely, like here, that it did not come off, so I'm going to have to put another touch of bleach on there and let it sit for a few minutes. But this is a cheap and easy way to clean the outside of your home, to get all that nasty dirt off and everything. If you don't own a pressure washer and you don't have the money to afford somebody to pressure wash your home. Okay, everyone, if the video helped today, then please hit the subscribe and like button. If it didn't and you couldn't see it, then let me know. Drop a message into the comment box. I'd be more than happy to do it during the daytime and reload it so you can see. Yes, I still have my Christmas lights up because they are very beautiful and give the house something extra, and I don't think I'll ever take them down. And yes, I am sweaty, hot, because I've been doing yard work all day, and that seems to be what happens, is you get hot, sweaty, and gross. So like everyone else, I'm going to go take my shower and relax for the rest of the night. And until next time, have a good night.